Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and I'm going to be unboxing this AUROTH Tactical Dog Harness. So this is for a dog that I recently got that was a drop-off and showed up on my land, and some kind of German Shepherd, about a 60-pound dog, maybe 60 to 70-pound dog. So I'm going to see how this fits on her. She is a really sweet dog. I'm not sure why somebody didn't want her, but I rescued her and she's my dog now, and I want to put a nice harness on her for training. And I saw this and I thought, wow, let me go ahead and try this out, and had a lot of good reviews on it. So let me take it out of the package and see how it looks here. Okay, I'm not sure what all that is. Let's see. Okay, this is a cool camo pattern. Nice pad. That's going to be nice on her chest and back stuff here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like that. Feels very well built, heavy duty. These are plastic, but they feel pretty solid. They're not wimpy at all. It's got some metal buckles here for adjusting your different sizes, so it's pretty adjustable. Let's see here. And you can put a name tag in here. That's cool. Hopefully it's waterproof. Okay, you got some Velcro stuff for putting patches on here and things like that. Okay, that looks good. This feels heavy duty, so it should fit her. I'm going to go ahead and put it on her, and I'll shoot a little video of that, and then show you what it looks like on the dog. So hold on, let me go do that.